Rev up your car search with a new way to buy used. Right here at Park Chevrolet Richmond, the #1 dealer in certified pre-owned vehicle sales in our region. Our inventory is thoroughly inspected to make sure it meets the highest standards, so you can be confident you're leaving the lot with a great vehicle and a GM certified warranty. In addition to peace of mind with your purchase, GM is happy to provide a transferable 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. There's no deductible included, and between the two, almost every part of your car is covered. There's more. Our team is committed to keeping your pre-owned vehicle running like new, so we provide 2 scheduled maintenance visits at no cost to you. Need a hand on the road? We'll be there soon with 24/7 roadside assistance. From selection to service, Parks Chevrolet Richmond has you covered. Experience the Parks promise today. Shop now at parksrichmond.com.